crisis, lockdown, home quarantine, migratory wage earners. This is not something that till now whatever I have done, this is it. Crisis COVID, where I have chosen a.
But for the time being, we can definitely learn how to clean the trash or junk in the electronic gadgets.
Do you all know that there are so many system-generated junk files which we are unaware of? To get rid of those trash, we have to scan the phone once in a week through some.
While attending corporate meet, it boosts self-confidence and leaves us. And this particular episode is dedicated to our juniors.
Young children often depend on their parents on dressing up for school. Sometimes parents get stuck in their own busy. But make sure your fingers aren't touching the slate. Line up the. But now I'm missing your shouting, your naughty nature, and I know that children love to play a lot. But after playing, this is the scene in most of the houses. So why are you waiting?
আগে আমরা যেরকম ছিলাম আজকে তো আমরা সেরকম নেই তাই if we are not able to limit the screen hours in a day, this is surely going to affect our mental health as well as the eye health.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
I love to see my trees grow and I love to look after them by loosening the soil.
These notebooks and books are not arranged properly. Notebooks must be kept on one side and books on the other side.
First, I'll take my school diary and open the timetable. Suppose tomorrow is Tuesday, so I'm going to arrange my books and notebooks according to the timetable.
Stay indoor, play.
We can help our children to do some non-fire cooking, which is absolutely safe. So, our salad is ready and hope our children can do these as well.
I have come to be to take thy touch before I begin my day. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Let thy eyes rest upon my eyes for a while. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Let me take to my heart through thy assurance of thy comradeship, my friend. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day.
Hello children, how are you all? Must be happy to be with your parents, grandparents and siblings for such a long time. But little sad to us you miss your normal school hours. Don't be sad at all because the lockdown is for our better health. Till the lockdown is lifted, let us stay home and practice some good life skill. Let us do some simple workout on a daily basis. Join me to follow the routine. Number 1. Boat pose. Number 2. Camel pose. Number 3. Downward facing dog pose. Number 4. Cobra pose. Number 5. Warrior pose. Number 6. Triangle pose. Number 7. Tree pose. I am so happy to see you all joining in this exercise with me. When we meet again, do let me know how you enjoyed this routine. Till then, bye.
Hello children, how are you? I know you're very happy because nowadays you are getting extra love from your mummy, extra care from your papa and extra pamper from your grandparents. But have you thought of doing something special and extra for them? I have an idea. How wonderful it would be if you could have your own kitchen garden and grow some herbs and vegetables in pots and gift them to your family. How lovely it would be if you could see them grow, bloom and bear fruits. I'm sure you will have lots of fun and love growing your own spices, herbs and vegetables. So, without delay, let's see what to grow, how to grow and where to grow. I have some options which are very easy and simple to grow and for which you don't have to go outside. Here they are. Coriander, lady's finger, chili, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and red spinach or lal shak. Take some coriander in your palm and crush it into halves. See. Now soak it overnight. You have to soak the lady's finger seeds and chili seeds overnight, and then next day you have to sprinkle the seeds like this. See how I am sprinkling, scattering the seeds like this. After that you have to sprinkle some water above it and keep aside in partly shaded area for a few days. In the same way, you can put turmeric, see the shoots. You will take like this. This is turmeric. You have to take from the kitchen like this. Tell your mom to cut the pieces like this, and in this way you have to put inside the soil. This is turmeric. In the same way you can do for garlic also. Like this you put the garlic inside the soil and sprinkle some water and keep it aside for few days. After a few days, hey children, see, sprouts are coming up. Look, they have grown into baby plants. Remember, water them regularly and keep them in sunny area. Coriander is ready to be used by your mommy. How lovely! Look at the plants bearing so many chilies, lady's finger, garlic and the turmeric. Wow, so lovely. See how fresh and colorful these vegetables are? Now they are ready to be used by your mom in the kitchen. When she will make vegetable curry, delicious, aromatic and colorful, then she will feel so happy and proud of it. I'm sure you too will be very happy and excited. So try at least one of this in your garden and see what a fun gardening is. Missing you a lot. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Hello children, I'm missing you a lot. I know you are also missing your school, your teachers and your friends. But now that you are at home, you have to follow the orders very strictly. You can do small things to help your mother at home. One such life skill is sorting the laundry. Now the question is, does laundry really need to be separated? The answer is yes. If you want that your clothes last for a long time, and if you want to avoid color transfer from your dark clothes to your light clothes, then you have to sort your laundry. Now let us see how. Okay, so this is my laundry basket. I have collected all the dirty clothes from all the rooms. Now I am going to sort these clothes according to color. Now the labeling is great. You can see darks, lights and whites. So I'm going to sort the clothes based on these three: darks, lights and whites. Okay, so first you can see this t-shirt, it will fall under lights. Then this shirt will fall under whites, as you can see. Okay, this t-shirt will be under darks. This handkerchief, this will fall under whites. Again, this shirt, you can see, this will fall under lights. Pillow cover under lights. This pullover will be under whites. Now one thing that is very important when you are sorting your clothes, that you have to check the pockets, which is very important, and you have to turn it inside out like this. This trouser will again come under darks. I put the basket down, so again this will come under lights. This t-shirt will also come under lights. Socks will be under whites, and this trouser, this will again come under darks. So you can see this is the easiest way of sorting the laundry. If we sort the laundry in this way according to color, then it will be very easy for us, because there will be no color transfer from the dark clothes to the light clothes, and in this way we can also protect our clothes from damage. So this is all for today. Stay safe, stay at home, stay positive.
Hello everyone. I have been closely watching the videos by my colleagues in this life skill series, and a wonderful idea sparked. Today I am going to share that with you all. Children often have a tendency to show interest in kitchen work, and we prohibit them thinking about sharp knife and fire in that area. See, pickle is something we all enjoy with roti, rice and any other meal, and if the spices are in right proportion, it has the ability to make a meal smacking. So today we'll share a pickle recipe that needs no knife cutting and no fire at all. Little help from adults, and the rest little champs will handle on their own. So children, we are making long beans pickle. For making long beans pickle, we need long beans, which I have cut into 2-inch pieces, mustard powder, lemon, turmeric, salt and mustard oil. Never forget to wear hand gloves before touching the ingredients. First, what we will do, we will take the long beans, cut them into small pieces with your hands. Now we will wash it with plain water. We will place them in a napkin. We will soak it. Then Again, we will place them in a bowl. We will keep this in sun for at least 2 hours. Now children, the beans are ready. It is already dried in sun. Now our next process is we will mix all the ingredients. So let us start mixing. We will take the mustard powder. We'll take turmeric. We'll take salt according to your taste. Then we'll squeeze the lemon. Then we'll take the mustard oil. We'll mix all the ingredients. Now we are mixing the dried long beans. Your pickle is ready. Now keep it in sun for at least 2-3 days. So hope children you have liked the video, and it is a must try for each and everyone at your home, and you can help your mother also at kitchen and show your elders that without their help you can do something. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you. Namaste.